Sports cars are a category of high-performance vehicles designed to deliver exhilarating driving experiences through exceptional speed, agility, and handling capabilities. These cars are known for their powerful engines, aerodynamic designs, and advanced technologies. Let's delve into the various aspects of sports cars and provide a review along with some examples. 1. Performance. Sports cars are engineered to offer exceptional performance on the road or track. They boast powerful engines that generate impressive horsepower and torque, resulting in rapid acceleration and high top speeds. These vehicles often feature lightweight materials, advanced suspension systems, and aerodynamic enhancements to optimize performance and handling dynamics. 2. Design. Sports cars are characterized by their sleek and aggressive designs. They have low-slung profiles, sculpted lines, and aerodynamic shapes that minimize drag and enhance stability. Many sports cars incorporate design elements like front splitters, rear diffusers, and active aerodynamics to improve downforce and airflow management. 3. Engine. Sports cars are equipped with high-performance engines that deliver thrilling power and sound. Common engine configurations include V6, V8, and occasionally, even more exotic engine types. Some sports cars utilize forced induction, such as turbocharging or supercharging, to maximize output. Others may opt for naturally aspirated engines known for their immediate throttle response and exhilarating rev range. 4. Transmission. Sports cars offer a range of transmission options to suit different driving preferences. Manual transmissions, favored by enthusiasts, allow for precise gear selection and engagement, offering a more engaging driving experience. Alternatively, automatic transmissions with paddle shifters provide lightning-fast gear changes for effortless acceleration and seamless performance. 5. Handling. Sports cars are engineered to deliver exceptional handling and responsiveness. They often feature advanced suspension systems, precise steering, and advanced stability control systems to provide optimal grip and control during spirited driving. Many sports cars prioritize rear-wheel drive (RWD) for balanced weight distribution, while others incorporate all-wheel drive (AWD) systems to enhance traction and stability. Review. Sports cars are a thrilling choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. Their potent engines, aggressive designs, and exceptional handling capabilities combine to deliver a memorable journey on the road or track. These cars are built to inspire confidence, making every drive an exhilarating adventure. Now, let's explore a selection of notable sports cars. 1. Porsche 911. The Porsche 911 is an iconic sports car that has maintained its legendary status for decades. Known for its rear-engine layout and timeless design, the 911 offers various trims, from the everyday Carrera to the track-focused GT3. With its impeccable balance, precise steering, and exhilarating performance, the 911 continues to captivate sports car enthusiasts worldwide. 2. Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevrolet Corvette is an American sports car that has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years. The latest generation, such as the C8 Corvette, features a mid-engine layout, stunning design, and powerful performance. With its accessible price point compared to many supercars, the Corvette delivers an exceptional driving experience. 3. Ferrari 488 GTB. the Ferrari 488 GTB exemplifies Italian automotive excellence. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the 488 GTB delivers breathtaking acceleration, precise handling, and a distinctive exhaust note. With its striking design and cutting-edge aerodynamics, this Ferrari offers a harmonious blend of performance and luxury. 4. Lamborghini Huracan. The Lamborghini Huracan is a striking and aggressive sports car that turns heads wherever it goes. Powered by a naturally aspirated V10 engine, the Huracan offers blistering acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and a thrilling driving experience. Its dramatic design, scissor doors, and roaring exhaust make it a true attention magnet. 5. BMW M4. The BMW M4 represents the high-performance variant of BMW's 4 Series Coupe. With its turbocharged inline-six engine, precise handling, and M-Division enhancements, the M4 delivers an engaging driving experience. It combines luxury and performance with advanced technologies and a comfortable interior. These examples represent a fraction of the exciting sports cars available in the automotive world, each offering unique characteristics and driving experiences. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe.